What if I told you most of the privacy hedges sold at garden centers are almost guaranteed to fail in a harsh winter? Every year, homeowners spend thousands on those beautiful emerald green hedges, only to watch them turn brown or die completely the moment temperatures drop. And here's the uncomfortable truth. The landscaping industry knows this. They often sell plants suited for mild climates because when your hedge dies, you come back and buy again. But here's what they don't tell you. There are hedges that have survived brutal winters in Alaska, Canada, even Siberia for centuries. These plants don't just survive, they stay green at -40 and beyond. Long before garden centers existed, these were the living fences protecting homes in the harshest environments on Earth. Today, I'm going to show you 13 cold-proof hedges that stay green all winter, no matter how extreme the conditions. And stick around, because plant number 12 was so valued that George Washington personally planted it at Mount Vernon, and those hedges are still standing over 200 years later. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Grow Layer, where we rediscover what modern landscaping forgot. This topic actually came from one of you in the comments, and we had to cover it. Now, let's count down 13 hedges that don't just survive winter, they dominate it. Number 13. Rocky Mountain Juniper, the ancient survivor. This isn't just a plant, it's a survivor from another era. Rocky Mountain juniper has been thriving across North America long before humans even arrived. From Canada down to New Mexico, it handles brutal cold that would wipe out most modern landscaping plants instantly. What makes it special? It thrives in zones 3 to 9 and handles temperatures down to -40 degrees without damage. All winter long, its foliage stays a beautiful blue-green. No browning, no stress. It's incredibly drought-tolerant, grows into a dense privacy screen, and even provides food for birds through its berry-like cones. If you want a hedge that has already proven itself for thousands of years, this is it. Number 12. American Arborvitae, the founding favorite. This one has history behind it. George Washington planted American Arborvitae hedges at Mount Vernon in the 1780s, and they're still alive today. Still green, still doing their job. It thrives in zones 2 to 7 and can survive temperatures below -50 degrees. Its soft, feathery foliage stays green all winter when most plants look lifeless. It grows tall, responds well to trimming, and, unlike imported varieties, was built for these conditions. If you want reliability backed by centuries of success, this is your hedge. Number 11. Canadian Hemlock, the Shade Master. Most evergreens demand sunlight. This one doesn't. Canadian hemlock actually thrives in shade, making it perfect for those tricky low-light areas where other hedges struggle. It handles temperatures down to -30 degrees, stays lush and dark green all winter, and forms beautiful, dense hedges when trimmed. The only thing it asks for, consistent moisture. If your space is shaded and challenging, this plant doesn't just survive, it excels. Number 10. Common Boxwood, the deer-proof classic. Here's something many people overlook. Cold isn't always the biggest threat. Deer are. But boxwood has a built-in defense. It contains compounds that deer instinctively avoid, even when food is scarce. Modern varieties handle temperatures down to -20 degrees, stay green through winter, and can be shaped into clean, formal designs. It grows slowly, but can live for centuries. If you want elegance without worrying about deer destroying your hedge, boxwood is a timeless choice. Number 9. Inkberry holly, the salt survivor. If you live near the coast or near roads treated with salt, you've probably seen plants struggle or die. Inkberry holly doesn't. It evolved in coastal environments, so it handles salt, wet soil, and tough conditions with ease. It stays dark green all winter and produces berries that birds love. For difficult environments, this is one of the most reliable options out there. Number 8. American cranberry bush, the edible fence. What if your hedge didn't just give you privacy, but also fed you? American cranberry bush does exactly that. This cold-hardy native produces bright red berries that hang on through winter, adding color when everything else looks dull. And those berries, packed with vitamin C and perfect for jams and juices. It thrives in zones 2 to 7 and can handle temperatures down to -50 degrees Fahrenheit. Even though it drops its leaves in winter, its dense branching still creates a natural barrier, and those berries keep your landscape alive with color and wildlife. If you want beauty, function, and food all in one hedge, this is a powerful choice. Number 7. Rhododendron, the unexpected survivor. Most people assume broadleaf evergreens can't handle extreme cold. Rhododendron proves them wrong. Certain cold-hardy varieties not only survive freezing temperatures, they adapt to them. In the cold, their leaves curl up as protection and then open back up when it warms. It looks dramatic, but it's completely natural. They stay green year-round, produce stunning blooms in spring, and create dense, lush hedges. If you want something that combines toughness with beauty, rhododendron delivers both. Number 6. Serbian spruce, the elegant speedster. Need something fast-growing but still refined? Serbian spruce is your answer. Unlike many slow-growing evergreens, this one can grow up to 12 to 18 inches per year while maintaining a narrow, graceful shape. It handles temperatures down to -30 degrees, resists pollution, and keeps its rich green color all winter. Tall, slim, and sophisticated, it's perfect if you want privacy without taking up too much space. Number 5. Siberian cypress, the Arctic specialist. Now we're stepping into extreme territory. Siberian cypress naturally grows in regions where winter temperatures drop below -50 degrees. Let that sink in. This plant doesn't just tolerate cold, it's built for it. Your harshest winter? For this plant, it's nothing. It stays low to the ground, spreads nicely, and keeps its blue-green color even in brutal conditions. If you live somewhere truly unforgiving, this is one of the toughest options you'll find. Number 4. Winterberry holly, the living wildlife magnet. This one transforms your hedge into something alive, literally. Winterberry holly produces an explosion of bright red berries that last all winter long, and those berries attract birds constantly, turning your yard into a mini wildlife sanctuary. It thrives in cold climates, handles wet soil, and brings color when most landscapes feel lifeless. It may lose its leaves, but what it gives back in winter beauty is unmatched. Number 3. Hicks yew, the classic statement. If you've ever admired formal European gardens, you've probably seen yew hedges. Hicks yew brings that same timeless elegance, but with the toughness to survive colder climates. It stays deep green all winter, handles pruning beautifully,
and even grows well in shade.
You can shape it, control it, and rely on it for decades.